Hello friends, for today's session we are going to discuss how to insert the element in the middle of a single linked list. Now when I want to add a new node into this existing linked list, suppose I want to add this new node and its value is 9 at the location suppose 4. Then how to insert 9 at the location 4? That means I am expecting the output like 1, 3, 4, then 9, then 5 and then 6. So for that this code is given. So let us check. First is nothing but when I want to insert a new node, I will first allocate the memory for the new node. So that was a statement is given. Second thing is that we will read data for the new node. So I have read data 9 for my new node. After that, I will allocate the data to the new node as well as I will set its next to the null. I will read the location where I want to add the data. Suppose I have read the location as a 4. Now I want to insert data at the 4th location. That means I need to traverse this linked list first and we need to reach up to the 4th location. But when we want to add the data at the 4th location, we need to keep in mind that we are creating a link from previous node to the 4th location node. That means we need to traverse up to the prior location and link need to be created from prior third to the new node. So for that, we need to traverse a linked list. So how long we will traverse a linked list? That is, we will traverse up to the location -1. Here I have taken one counter. So this counter will start from this one, that is 1, 2, 3, 4th and then 5th. So here I have taken one counter. I will check counter value is nothing but 1. 1 is less than location -1. Location is 4. 4 minus 1 it is 3. Condition satisfied. It will go inside the loop. Inside the loop what I have mentioned, I have just given a one statement, that is current is equal to current next. So we already initialize our current with the start. So when I go for current equal to current next, at that time my current will point to the next location. So that means it will point to the second location and from this location it will be removed. Again we will go for checking for loop condition. So now my counter is reached to up to 2 and 2 is less than 3, condition is satisfied. So in that case we will come again inside the loop. Our current value is moved to the next location. So now my current is pointing to the node having a data 4 and I will again check for the for loop. My counter will come 3. 3 less than 3, this condition will false and we will come out of the loop. Now I have given two statements. So here you can check my current is pointing to this 4th location. Then after 4, 5th is already present. But I want to add this 9, that is nothing but a new node into my linked list. So for that, first I need to create a link from 4 to 9 and then 9 to 5. But how to read this 5? If current is value is pointing to 4, I can read this 5 as a current next, right? So here I can read 5 as a current next, I can read 9 as a new node and 4 is represented as a current. So I can make a connection from this 9 to 5 with the help of these statements like new node next is equal to current next. New node next is nothing but your current next, because I already mentioned how to read this 5. So for that statement is given new node next is nothing but the current next. That means this link is created. Now we need to create a link from this 4 to 9. So I know how to read this 4. 4 is read as a current. I want to create a link from this 4 to 9. That means what about current next? Current next is nothing but my new node. So the next statement is given as current next is equal to new node. That means 4 to 9 and 9 to 5 link is created and link between 4 to 5 is removed. So this is the way how to insert data in the middle of a single linked list. Let us check with the help of executing this code. Here I have added a 4 node. I will check current output, that is it is holding a 5 element. Now I want to add the data at the middle. So I will continue with the operation 5th in the middle. I will enter a number 66 and I will enter location 4. So now I want to check whether this data is added or not. I will use a display function. So you can check Here that is 11, 22, 33, 66, 44 and 55. That means 66 is added at the fourth location. Hope so you clear how to insert data in the middle of a single linked list. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.